In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove group chat on Facebook Messenger. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up Messenger app and then open up some group chat. And now here, in order to remove this chat, or actually to leave this chat, all you have to do is right here tap on names and then scroll down to the very bottom, and now there you are able to leave the chat. Just hit right here on leave chat to actually leave it. Also, if you don't want to leave this chat but you want to mute notifications for the chat, you can here tap at notifications and sounds and then here enable mute notifications feature. You can set it to 15 minutes, 1 hour, 8 hours, 24 hours, or until I'll change it. I'll select for 15 minutes. Also here, if some specific person are bothering you, you can block them if you are an admin of that group chat. So you can right here tap at block a member and then tap on some username, and here you can tap at block messages and calls to block that user on that specific group chat. I hope it helps you guys, so don't forget to like and subscribe.